I like to use 3 different strategies. So the first is the Snowball method, paying down the debt with the lowest balance first. And the reason we would do this is it feels really good to cross something off our list, and that builds our motivation and gets us excited about paying down our debt. And once we have that first piece of debt paid off, we can put that debt payment towards the next piece of debt. The second method is called the Avalanche Method, and that is paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, because that debt is technically costing us the most money because we're paying the most interest on it. The third method is something I added based on my work with clients. A piece of debt might not be the smallest piece of debt or have the highest interest rate, but it's the piece of debt that causes us the most emotional stress. And that could be working with a bank that you've had a really terrible experience with, or even a loan to a friend or family member that's 0 interest, but you really just want to get that paid off. So that can impact how we prioritize. And then from there, the recipe for paying down debt is essentially starting with priority number 1. We're paying down for each piece of debt. We're paying all of our payments. We're paying our minimum payments or what our monthly payments are, because that impacts our credit score. We want to be on time with all of our bills and our debt. And then from there, any additional money goes to priority number 1. And once we pay that off, the amount that we've been paying to priority number 1 can now go to priority number 2. And we work our way down the list.